I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Ford Fiesta. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Locate the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom of the radiator or the lower radiator hose. Position a suitable drain pan underneath to catch the old coolant. Carefully open the drain plug or disconnect the hose, allowing all the old coolant to drain out completely into the pan. After draining, close the drain plug or reattach the lower hose securely. Now, fill the coolant reservoir with distilled water. Start your engine and let it run with the heater on full blast until it reaches its normal operating temperature. This circulates the water, helping to flush out any remaining old coolant. Once the engine cools down, drain the distilled water just as you did the old coolant. With the system flushed and drained, ensure the drain plug is securely closed. Now, it's time to add your new specified coolant. Slowly pour the coolant into the reservoir, filling it up to the max line. To help remove air pockets, gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses. This action helps trapped air escape through the reservoir, ensuring a proper fill. Finally, start your engine and carefully inspect all connections for any signs of leaks. Allow the engine to reach operating temperature, then let it cool and recheck the coolant level, topping off if necessary. Remember, old coolant is toxic, so dispose of it responsibly at an approved recycling facility. Keep an eye on your temperature gauge during your next few drives to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.